In an age where battlefields extend beyond human sight, military drones have become essential tools of modern warfare. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, play critical roles in surveillance and reconnaissance. Some of these have very long endurance and are equipped with state-of-the-art sensors. But that's not all. A few are designed for offensive roles besides being an intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, or ISR, platform. In this video, Defense Updates lists the top 8 armed UAVs in the world. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The Akotnik stealthy, heavy hunter-killer drone is being developed by Sukhoi and Russian Aircraft Corporation, MiG. The drone is based on the earlier Mikoyan Scat, designed by MiG, and encompasses some technologies of the 5th-generation Sukhoi Su-57 fighter jet. Akotnik's design is based on the flying wing scheme and incorporates the use of composite materials and stealth coatings, making the drone low observable in flight. It has a weight of about 20 tons and a wingspan of about 65 feet or 20 meters. The drone is powered either by a single AL-31F turbofan, as used on the Sukhoi Su-27 fighter aircraft, or by the improved AL-41F derivative installed on the Su-35S fighters and Su-57 prototypes. The maximum speed of the drone is reportedly 1,000 kilometers per hour or 621 miles per hour, while carrying its payload internally. As per reports, Akotnik is being armed with both air-to-surface and air-to-air missiles. It's possibly capable of carrying Kh-59 Mark II standoff cruise missiles and Grom-9A 7759 glide bombs. The platform is not a finished product as of now, and Akotnik was recently shot down by a Russian Su-57 stealth fighter after the drone appeared to malfunction. The Bayraktar TB2 is a medium-altitude, long-endurance, MAL, unmanned combat aerial vehicle (UCAV), capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operations. It's manufactured by the Turkish company Bayraktar Defense, primarily for the Turkish Armed Forces, and is developed from TB1. The aircraft is monitored and controlled by air crew in the ground control station, including weapons employment via the Turksat satellite. The development of the UAV has been largely credited to Selçuk Bayraktar, a former MIT graduate student and son-in-law of President Erdogan. The standard payload configuration includes an electro-optical EO camera module, an infrared IR camera module, a laser designator, a laser rangefinder LRF, and a laser pointer. The UAV has a range of 300 kilometers or about 185 miles and can fly at a maximum altitude of 27,030 feet. It has a maximum speed of about 225 kilometers per hour or about 140 miles per hour and an endurance of 27 hours. It has 4 hardpoints for different types of weapons, like long-range anti-tank missile systems, laser-guided rockets, as well as very potent Kuzgun modular joint ammunition. Chinese CH-5 is the latest in the CH or Rainbow series of drones. It has enhanced payload and range compared to its predecessors. CH-5 is a pretty large UAV that can carry a payload of 1,000 kilograms or 2,205 pounds, has a service ceiling of 9,000 meters or around 27,000 feet, and has an endurance life of up to 60 hours. Thanks to a shared data link system, it can cooperate with CH-3 and CH-4 drones. The drone can carry a maximum of 16 missiles at a single time. Chinese officials claimed the CH-5 Rainbow was similar in performance to the US MQ-9 Reaper. Primary armament includes AR-1 and AR-2 missile. The Hermes 900 is an advanced multi-role MALE unmanned aircraft system manufactured by Israel's Elbit Systems. The UAS is used in persistent intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance or ISTAR missions. The Hermes 900 completed its maiden flight in December 2009. It can endure airborne for a maximum of 36 hours. The UAS can support multiple payload configurations, such as OE, IR, and laser designator, SAR and ground-moving target indicating GMTI, and maritime patrol radar, COMINT, COMJAM, ELINT, and electronic warfare EW, hyperspectral systems, communications relay, wide area surveillance, and mapping payloads. It's controlled by the Hermes Ground Control System, or GCS. It has a maximum speed of 220 kilometers per hour or 140 miles per hour, endurance of 36 hours, and a service ceiling of 9,100 meters or 30,000 feet. It can carry 450 kilograms or 990 pounds of payload. The primary armament is the Spike missile. Wing Lung 3 is a sophisticated unmanned aerial vehicle UAV developed by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group in China. It is the latest in the Wing Lung series. It represents an evolution from its predecessor Wing Lung 2, featuring a longer body and wider wingspan, which enhances its operational capabilities. Wing Lung 3 is equipped with advanced technology that supports fully autonomous operations, including taxiing, taking off, landing, and cruising. Notably, it includes a satellite communications antenna mounted on the fuselage for long-range data transmission. This UAV is powered by a turbocharged engine and can reach a maximum speed of 370 kilometers per hour or 230 miles per hour and an endurance of 40 hours. Wing Lung 3 boasts a robust payload capacity of 2,300 kilograms or 5,070 pounds, with 3 hardpoints under each wing capable of carrying bombs, rockets, or air-to-surface missiles, including PL-10E infrared-guided air-to-air missiles. The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper, sometimes called Predator B, is an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV, capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operations developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, primarily for the United States Air Force. The MQ-9 is the first hunter-killer UAV designed for long-endurance, high-altitude surveillance. Reaper is a larger, heavier, and more capable aircraft than the Predator, which initiated the era of unmanned air combat. It has an endurance of 27 hours, a service ceiling of 50,000 feet, a range of 1,151 miles or 1,852 kilometers, and a max speed of 300 miles per hour or 482 kilometers per hour. With extended range or ER upgrade kits, Reapers have an endurance of up to 42 hours without external stores. Reaper's main sensor is the nose-mounted MTS-B multispectral surveillance and targeting turret, and its fuselage-mounted Lynx synthetic aperture radar. Additionally, many other payloads can be added, like electronic warfare pods and ground-moving target identification or GMTI sensors. Reaper has the ability to carry over 2,500 pounds or 1,100 kilograms of weapons payload through its external hardpoints. The Reaper's hardpoints give it the ability to deploy a combination of AGM-114 Hellfire, GBU-12 Paveway, and GBU-38 JDAM munitions. A Kinsey is a high-altitude, long-endurance, or HAL, unmanned combat aerial vehicle, being manufactured by Turkey's Baykar. The aircraft has a 5.5-plus ton maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, of which over 1,350 kilograms, or 2,980 pounds, is payload. A Kinsey is equipped with 2 turboprop engines, as well as electronic support and ECM systems, dual satellite communication systems, air-to-air radar, collision avoidance radar, and advanced synthetic aperture radar. The platform is fitted with an indigenous manufactured active electronically scanned array AESA radar called MURAD, a SAR GMTI radar, a surveillance system, electronic warfare and signal intelligence suite SIGINT, and SATCOM, allowing Akinseys to become UCAV, as well as ISTAR plus 3C assets for the Turkish military. Bayraktar touts that a Kinsey is capable of conducting operations typically performed with fighter jets. It can be armed with mini stand munition Bozak, Sirit missile, LUMTAS missile Mark 81, Mark 82, Mark 83 guided bombs JDAM, air-to-air missile Gakdogan and Bazdogan, and SOMA standoff missile. MQ-20 Avenger is developed by General Atomics, and at present only limited production has been carried out. The high-speed, multi-mission Avenger is a long-endurance, medium to high-altitude, remotely piloted aircraft RPA system that can perform wide-area surveillance as well as time-sensitive strike missions over land and sea. It is a low observable platform, and its stealth features include internal weapon storage and an S-shaped exhaust for reduced infrared and radar signatures. The aircraft has much higher operational and transit speeds than current Predator B series aircraft, resulting in quick response and rapid repositioning for improved mission flexibility and survivability. In standard configuration, the Avenger can fly for up to 18 hours, reaching speeds up to 400 miles per hour or 650 kilometers per hour, and altitudes of up to 50,000 feet or 15,000 meters. Its main mission is combat, as it carries an assortment of bombs and missiles attached to its 6 external hardpoints or inside the weapons bay that can hold up to 3,500 pounds or 1,600 kilograms of ammunition. The Avenger will support the same weapons as the MQ-9 and carry the Lynx synthetic aperture radar and a version of the F-35 Lightning II's electro-optical targeting system, EOTS.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.